We define scale as the amount that a drawing or model is reduced or enlarged, and we said that they could have different, scale could have different units, inches and feet, inches to miles, that sort of thing. And then we also defined scale factor, and we said that scale factor units are always the same, so inches to inches, feet to feet, miles to miles, etc. And so now we're going to use that scale factor to help us find some missing or unknown lengths. And so we have an example here that says a photograph was enlarged and made into a poster. The poster is 20.5 inches by 36 inches, and the scale factor is 5/1. Find the size of the original photograph. Think first, which is bigger, the photo or the poster? Remember that our photograph is our original, it's our actual. Our model is this poster. And if we have a scale factor that's bigger than 1, if we come back here, if it's greater than 1, that means that the model is bigger than the actual, so it's been enlarged. So we took this picture and we made it bigger. It was enlarged. There's that word, enlarged. And so the poster is bigger here. How many problems do we need to solve? Well, let's think about that for a second here. We actually are going to have to find, they're asking us to find the size of the original photo, but we have to find two things here. We have to find length and width. So we're actually going to solve two problems. One for length and one for width. So then it says write a word fraction to help you put all the numbers in the right places. This is 5 for the poster and 1 for the photo. Our model over our actual. And so now we're going to actually write and solve a proportion. Remember, we're talking about model and actual. So the width of the poster is 20.5 inches. We've got model over actual equals the poster is our model, 20.5 over our photo, which we don't know. And so now that I have a proportion written, I can solve. 5 times p is 5p. 1 times 20.5 is 20.5. The inverse of multiplying is dividing both sides. And when I do that, 20.5 divided by 5 is equal to 4 1/10. So p is equal to 4 1/10 inches. And then length of the poster, again, 5/1 is our scale factor, model over actual. Our poster is our model. It's our enlarged thing, so 36 over the length we don't know of the original picture. So I'm going to use cross products to solve. 5 times L is 5L, and 1 times 36 is 36. The inverse of multiplying by 5 is dividing, so we divide both sides by 5. And 36 divided by 5 is 7 2/10. So my length is 7 2/10 inches. And it says repeat the write and solve a proportion as needed to find all measurements asked in the problem. We've found both width and length. So our answer, the size of the original photo is 4.5 inches, or 4 1/10 inches, I'm sorry, by 7 2/10 inches. At the end, we always want to make sure our answer makes sense. If the poster is 20.5 by 36, does it make sense that our photo was originally 4 1/10 by 7 2/10 inches? We know that our poster was supposed to get bigger, so the numbers did get bigger. I have labels on my answer, and it seems like a reasonable thing to think that a picture could be 4 by 7. And so, yeah, I would say, yeah, this answer makes sense and checks. At this point in time, I would challenge you to try this last one on your own, and then come back and watch the last video to see how you did for this last example. But I would try it by yourself first to see how you do.